Welcome, dear viewers, to Dan Tech Computer Solutions. Today we are going to do an exercise on Microsoft Office PowerPoint. This is what we call presentation. So in our exercise, we are requested to open our presentation program and create a presentation document using the slide outlines shown in the finger below. So we are going to use an appropriate slide layouts for each slide. Then we save the presentation as orientation in a folder. So we are going to start by creating a folder. We'll go step by step. So on the desktop, we right click, we press on new, then we click on folder. So we are going to name our folder as Dantech Computer Solutions. After that, you can double click to open your folder. We can maximize our folder. After that, we now right click inside our folder. Then we press on new. Then we click on Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So we are going to use a program for Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. We are requested to name our file as orientation. So we type orientation. After that, you can now double click the orientation file to open it. Can you maximize? All right. So after that, let me pin the program on the taskbar. You can see that under the home tabular, we have the new slide. So you click on the arrow below where we have new slide, and under the new slide, you realize that we have different slide layouts. So based on our question, uh, the first slide has the name students orientation. The students orientation is our title. So under our program, once you click on new slide, you pick a slide layout which is title only. After that, let me zoom a little bit. After new slide, you click on the title only. Then now you'll be able to type inside that particular slide, whereby we are requested to type is the name students orientation. So we are done with the first slide. You can see here we have slides, and this is number one. So this is slide number one. After you're done with the first layout, we proceed to new slide again. Under the new slide, we choose title and content. We click on title and content. Then we click under the title, whereby we type the name provided. We can use capital letters. So we type the name provided. After that, we proceed to the content layout. We go to where we have the paragraph, we go to the numbering. We use the numbers 1, 2, 3, the ones in brackets. So we click on that. And then now we can be able to type the information provided. So after that, you click enter, type the next instruction provided. Click enter to proceed. So we are done with the second slide. You can see we have slide 1 and we have slide 2. Once you are done with that particular slide, you proceed to new slide again. Then we still use the title and content slide. That is the layout that we choose. So in case you you choose a wrong slide, you can change it under the layout. When you click on the layout, you can be able to change the slide and use the one that you need. But for our case, for this third slide, we still need the title and content. Therefore, we continue to enter the information provided. For example, this one should be capital letters and I typed it in small letters. How can you change that? You click on this button here, then you press on uppercase. So you can change to capital letters, lowercase changes to small letters, sentence case makes the first letter to be in capital letter, the rest of the words remain in small letters. So for our case, we are going to use the uppercase, whereby we need the letters to be in capital letters. Then we click under the content section. Then we type the information provided. So we are done with the third slide. After that, you still proceed to the new slide, whereby you choose the title and content layout. You click on the title. Under the title, we type the information provided. I can highlight the information, and then I reduce the size a little bit so that the title can fit on one line. After that, we have a smarted picture. Uh, we have a smarted picture. The characteristics of holistic student. Then we have this. This one is known as smarted. So under the smarted, you just press on insert. Then you click on the smarted. Then you choose the cycle. You pick the first one. You choose the first one, then you press OK. So you can see that we have 5 circles. And in our case, we only need 4. So you just right click on one of the circles, then you press cut. So it automatically deletes one of the circles. Up here, we have change colors. You can change the colors and you are able to choose any color of your choice. You can choose any color of your choice. Then you click inside the circles and you can be able to key the information provided for each particular circle. You press the next one, then you type the information. The next one. And the last one. So that is it. And we are done with the slide 4. After that, we have slide 5. You go back to Home Tabular. We click on the new slide. Then we pick title and content. Yes, we only have content alone, but since we don't have a slide that is named content only, we pick the title and content. After that, you click on the line under the title layout. You right click, then you press cut to delete the title layout. After that, you click under the content section, then you type the information provided. Then you press full stop. So we are done with the 5 slides. You can see that the slides are numbered in, like, we have slide 1, we have slide 2, we have slide 3, slide 4, and we have slide 5. So each slide is independent. If it is number 1, it is independent. Click on number 2, it is independent. Number 3, number 4, and number 5 respectively. They are all independent slides. So we are done with typing the information provided. Therefore, we'll check on the questions. We check on the questions provided. So after typing that, we have questions. The first question says, we apply the following to all the slides. We apply the following to all the slides. Number 1, we are requested to apply the transition scheme of your choice. Apply transition scheme of your choice. So under our program, on the ribbons, we have transition here. So you click on transitions. All these are different transitions. You can click this lower button here for more options. You can see that we have different options, and we are requested to apply a transition scheme of your choice. So you can choose any. So for our case, let me choose glitter, for example. You can see how it appears. So we are requested to apply it to all the slides. Therefore, you click apply to all. If I press on number 2 and I want to view the slide, I want to preview the transition, I just come and press on preview, and you can be able to see the transition that we applied. I can press on the next slide. I can click on the preview, and you can be able to see the slides that we applied. After that, we have the next question, which says apply theme of your choice. We apply theme of your choice. Therefore, under our program, under the ribbon, we have the design. Under the design is where we have the themes. So you can see we have themes down here. All these are themes. You can press the lower button to choose more options. So you are free to choose any slide of your choice. We have different slides. You can see we have different slides. So it's for you to make a choice of the kind of slide that you need to apply. So for our case, let us use this one. Therefore, I just press that, and it automatically applies to all the slides. If you click each slide, you'll see that the theme that we have used has been applied automatically to all the slides. After that, we have the last question, which says slide number. We apply a slide number to all the slides. Therefore, you click on the Insert tab. Under the Insert tab, you press on slide number. Therefore, you click on the slide number and you tick on the button where it is written slide number. After that, you press on Apply to All. You click Apply to All. So you can see that the first slide is named number 1 on the right side of the layout or our tab layout. If we click on number 2, the second slide, you can see it is named number 2. If we click on the third one, it is named number 3. If you click on the fourth one, it is named slide 4. And if you click on the last one, it is named slide 5. So that is how we apply the slide numbers to show the number for each particular slide. So after that, we are requested to save the changes to print out later in 3 slides per page. So you can click File, then you press on Save. When it says that you print 3 slides per page, it means now suppose you are connected to a printer, you just click on File, you go to Print, you click on the Print button. Then we have, under the settings, we have the slides. You click that and you can be able to choose the number of slides that you want to be printed under one page. Therefore, you can click the 3 slides and you can be able to see that in one page we can print 3 different slides automatically. So that is how it is done. We click on File, then we click on Save. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet in our next video. Thanks, and remember to subscribe.